before you order it, what you need is the height and width of the door. And then if it has a round curve like that, not a big deal. What you can do is you can just measure the top part of the fridge, and that'll show you the width of it. And then what you can do on the width of the door itself, just go on the top of the door, and that's straightforward. And it looks like it's 2.5 inches wide right here. So height and width of the door and how thick the door is. Both doors. On the side, just the unit itself. We're going. I need the height, and from bottom of the door unit to the here. Also, the width of it, not including the door, but the width. These are the steps that I need to know before we print it and everything. And also, every order is custom sized to fit the subject. So if you see a refrigerator wrap that has a bottom door, or side by side, or 3 or 4 door wraps, and if you haven't seen on the website but you like the design, say, hey, I like the design but I don't see a 4-door refrigerator wrap, I'll customize it. Everything's customized. Also, I can add your logo or name or anything like that. Just let me know what you want. We'll make it work.